Okay, here we are.
We're going to Sharlies Nest today.
Ah, Sharlies Nest. Love this place. Check out
I've
that
already
stained glass.
unlocked the door.
Oh, very good. And here we go. All right, entree-vous.
This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath.
3-bedroom, 3-bath. Okay.
3-story house.
3 stories. Now, how many people will this place sleep?
We'll sleep 11.
11.
Okay, so here's the laundry room.
Okay, so that's the first thing that you'll actually see kind of on the left-hand side.
Quick.
Oh, quick. Okay.
This is the bathroom that's on the middle floor, so there's a bathroom on each of the floors.
All right, bathroom on each floor.
Yes, this would be your master.
The master's right here. Okay.
Which it goes out to the deck out here, which the living room goes out there as well.
Okay, fantastic.
Okay, moving right along.
All right, this is one of these. Okay, I'm being chopped.
Okay, so this is the kitchen. It has an exit out to the deck, which goes to the front of the house.
And there's a barbecue and a grill, I'm assuming, out there as well?
Yes, there is.
Okay.
Okay.
So television, fireplace. Yeah, this is going to be the balcony outside, the deck. All right, and then up the stairs. Nice, beautiful log steps.
This is a nice seating area if you just want to read a book or something, or maybe kids could play some games out here.
And that is a hide bed right there as well, sofa sleeper. Wi-Fi information.
This would be a full-size bed.
Okay, great.
With a closet. Bathroom.
All right, so there's a nice spacious bathroom, bright.
And then a queen-size bed.
Queen-size bed, and underneath this bed I do believe is
a trundle.
A trundle.
A single trundle.
Okay, so now we're gonna go all the way down, and we're gonna go to the very bottom of the home, into the basement, which is finished. So the nice thing about Sharlies Nest is it's also fairly close to the water. And there is a little trail that you can go down that actually gets you to a sandy beach. Little TV entertainment.
For the kids, because they can just hang out, watch TV, play games over here.
Nice.
There's a propane stove and bunk beds.
Super cool.
Games and all kinds of fun stuff. And then again, it has its own bathroom down here.
Fantastic.
Which is very spacious.
Yep. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, that works. And so if you guys are looking for a fantastic time to get together and have fun in McCall, very close to Payette Lake, we suggest you give us a ring, make reservations, or book directly online at donerightmanagement.com. Cheers.